Here I have HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to switch on or off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, switch to the front camera like this, tap on the gear icon, and here you have mirror reflection. So let's take a photo like this, and another one without this effect, and as you can see, these photos are mirrored. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.